In this video, we are going to take a look at the question 13 from section 11.5. And they're asking us to evaluate this expression where we have a 59 at the top and then 28 at the bottom. Now, before we do this problem, if they were not these big numbers like 59 and 28, let's just do some small numbers and then something like if I had a 7 at the top and at the bottom 4, and I need to evaluate this. This represents a combination. So when I'm going to do the combination for this question, the formula says you will always take the top number in factorial, and then you will subtract these two numbers. So you will need a 7 minus 4 factorial here first, and then you will need the bottom number factorial. This is the formula to evaluate the combination. So if I organize this without a calculator, 7 minus 4 is 3 factorial, and then we're going to keep this as 4 factorial. So the top number is going to change as 7 times, 6 times, 5 times. I don't have to continue anymore. I'm just going to put 4 factorial here. As we know, 4 factorial means 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. And then 3 factorial is 3 times 2 times 1, which is just a 6. And then I'm just going to keep this as 4 factorial. So I know that I can cancel the top number by bottom number. Now at the bottom, we have this 3 times 2 times 1, which gives me a 6. And when I multiply these three numbers, they will cancel the 6 at the top. So all we're going to get is 7 times 5 at the top, which will be a 35. And this will be the expected answer for a question like this. However, here on the homework, they use so big numbers like 59 and 28. So even if we apply the formula, we don't know how to find that scientific notation number. So I'm going to show you how to use calculator to evaluate something like 59 and 28. So when we go to Desmos.com, under the functions here, if we scroll down all the way to the bottom, so one more time, here, we're going to go to the functions, and then we will scroll down all the way to the functions. The last number under the number theory, the last function is NCR. We're going to pick this. And then the top number is 59. So we are going to input 59 first. Then we need a comma. And then the second number we have is 28. So we're going to put a comma in the second number. Desmos is going to give me the answer for this question as a scientific notation. Remember what my math app says? It says that round your decimal number to 4 places as needed. So here, I am going to need 5.5317. So because they only want the 4 digits, 5.5317. And then they said use the multiplication from the palette, 10 to the power of 16. Let's just check everything. 53 is 17. 53 is 17, and it's 10 to the power of 16. And now once we input this answer, they can check, and then it will be a correct answer. I am recommending that you use calculators for big numbers like this.